Dear student, I'm making a short note for you so that you can revise the whole 22 chapter in very short time. So this is chapter 1, measurement. I try to finish this chapter in 2 minutes maximum. So let's start. Chapter 1 is measurement, where we use a measure any quantity. The physical quantity are those quantity which can be measured. For example, how we measure the length. We measure 5 meter length of anything. We can measure the weight of an object like 10 kg. So when you measure 10 kg, 5 kg, so first unit is numerical value and second will give you the unit. There are total seven basic quantities. These are the things you can make a note of it, and these are the SI unit. Here, what is the different is temperature, which is in Kelvin, and the amount of substance, which we say in the mole. Now, derived unit are those units which derive from the basic quantities. For example, when we write the volume, so what is the volume? It can be your length into breadth into height. So these are the meter cube, so which we have derived from the length from the basic unit, so that's why it's called derived unit. There are other example, for example, the area meter square, the speed, which is the meter per second, and so on. These are the some of the prefix which you generally use. For example, micrometer. So prefix means pre means first, what you attach in the start. So micrometer will be what? Micro is the 10 to the power minus 6. So it will write 10 to the power minus 6 meter, like that. So you can take a note of it because they are very common. Micro, mini, milli, kilo. Kilo means 10 to power 3 means 1000. So if I'll say 1 kilogram means I'm talking about 1000 gram. If I'm talking about 1 kilometer, I'm it means I'm talking about 1000 meter. So kilo is a prefix. Now rest you can put like that. So these are the important prefix. Please make a note of in separately. What are the instrument we use to length measurement? So these are the instrument which we use depending on what is we need. So if I'm measuring the person waist, I will use the tape measure because you can fix on irregular object. It will give you precision to 0 0.1 centimeter, and it can give you reading to several meters. If I'm measuring the table height, I can use the meter rules, which will give you precision till 0 0.1. If I'm measuring the diameter of test tube, okay, I can use vernier calipers. So here the range is you can measure anything between 1 to 15 centimeter. It will give you precise till second digit after decimals. If I'm measuring the wire thickness, the diameter of diameter, how much the wire is thick, which is very thin. So we should use micrometer screw gauge. This will give you the precision 0.01 centimeter, and you should use the meter micrometer screw gauge till you want to measure to 2.5 centimeter. Now, coming to the very important part, vernier calipers, as you know, they are two basic unit. Sorry, two scales. So they are based on the how they coincide happen. What are the different errors? There are three kind of error. No zero error means when the zero mark on the male scale is coincide with the vernier scale. So here no correction required. Positive zero error means the zero mark of vernier scale is shifted to the right hand side or to the main scale. So now what we are doing, since we are getting extra error, we have to minus it out from our reading. In the negative zero error, what happens? Zero shifted to the left hand side, sorry. So from the reading, you have to minus it out. So these are the things which we can just for revision. You should know all these points. So measurement of time, we should use a stopwatch, and this precision will be 0.01 second. The human reaction time is 0 0.3 to 0 0.5 second. I hope you like this video, which is a very short video I made for revision. Let me know if you want other data. I'll make for that also. Thank you.